Hey there, Humphrey here. Let's learn how we can blur part of a video. Not every part of the video, but just some parts of the video, okay? So let's drop this into the timeline. So say this is you, okay? You want to just blur your face or probably blur your whole body, but then you want your background to be seen. Let's start. First, copy this, Ctrl C, and Ctrl V to paste it, and then put this on top. The next step is to click on Effects, click on Lens, then you click and drag this blur onto the top video. Okay, good. Now, let's click on the top video and then select Mask from here. So you click on Mask, and then we are going to just blur the face. Maybe this lady doesn't want her face to be seen, okay? So we're going to use the circular mask. We click and then we drop it on the face. But this is too huge, so we can just close the gap here like this and then drop it up. All right, let's click on Basic and then see the output. If I play this video, you can see her face is blurred out, but the body and the background really shows. But what if this lady doesn't want her whole body to be seen, okay? But she wants the background to actually be seen. How do we do that? Okay, so we click on the top video, select the mask, and then we click on None so as to remove the first mask that we created, okay? And then this time we go ahead and click on Remove Background and then click on Auto Removal. Once again, the nature of your machine or how powerful your machine will determine how quick the thing will be completed. As you can see, mine is done. And her body has been blurred out, but the background is intact. Okay, so this is how you can do a blur of some parts of your video. If you like the video, click on the subscribe button, share and like it, and stay safe. Bye bye.